Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWW Cards, Prestige Worldwide Cards. We're getting ready to do another 4-box break of 2020 Panini Select UEFA Euro Soccer Hybrid 4-box break number 4 from eBay. It is Sunday, July the 21st. Here are our boxes. This break is brought to you by eBay and their case-breaking sweepstakes. There's no payment or purchase necessary to enter or to win their sweepstakes. For full rules and regulations as well as how to enter, check out these links that are scrolling across the top. Those links are also available at the top of the item description on eBay for you to get there as well. So thanks to them for that. Thank you for getting the break. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Box number 1. Alright, box 1. Let's get this kind of out of the way. Let's start with the left side here. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Mertens, Delight, Stepanenko. There's a Crawl. Silva. Mertens, Delight, Stepanenko again. There's Fabian Ruiz, red, white, and blue, going out to Spain. Spain is Jeff. Jeff, congratulations. Seferovic. Palomiri, Ayan, Kane, Matvienko, Gareth Bale, Savitzer, Tolisso, Zobnin. Here's a David Alba. It's a silver prism for Austria. Nice insert there. Zinchenko. Kaderovic, Hazard, Van Dijk. Here, look at this. How about a field level camo for Schuler? Pretty cool, going out to Finland. That one is numbered 4 out of 25. 4 out of 25 of that one. Congrats. Tim Sparv. Alright. Emerson Palmieri. Aeon Kane. Ross Barkley on the red, white, and blue for England. Congrats on that. Matvienko, Sabitzer, Tolisso, Zobnin, Golovin. I'm not sure. Either way. Kaderovic for the Czech Republic. Hazard, Van Dijk, Malinovsky. There's a Stefan rookie. Suchi, Krivstov, Vilsanker, Courtois. There's a Daniel James. No relation to Daniel Jones of American football fame. Clement Lenglet. the Yuba, Salchek, Fabian Ruiz on the Prism Silver, and then a Livakovic. All right, that does it for box number 1. On to box number 2. Got, what's that say? 50. 5 cards per pack, 10 packs, 50 cards per box here. So 200 total. You know, one break we had we had some zebras, some tiger. It'd be nice to get some more of that. Maybe an autograph. 101 would be cool. All right, box number 2 coming at us. Let's do a little right side magic this time. How about that? Stepanenko, Palmieri, Aeon. There's a Donnarumma for Italy. How about a Freuler, Harry Kane, Matvienko, Savitzer. How about a Jan Borrell for the Czech Republic, red, white, and blue rookie? That's a nice one. Going up to Shannon. There's Ronaldo base. Tolisso, Zabnin, Karabarik, Hazard, Ekdal, Van Dijk, Malinovsky, Donnarumma, Semenov, Rebic, Celestica, Lukaku, and Alexander Arnold. Samido Olsen. Bayatov, Baumgartlinger, Griezmann. There's a Prism Silver Marlos from the Ukraine. Soyuncu, Golovin, Suchi, De Bruyne. There's a Declan Rice rookie, red, white, and blue, going out to England. That's a nice one. England's going to be Peyton. Peyton, congratulations. That one's coming to you. Ruben Neves, or Neves, maybe. Maybe it's Neves. Mbappe. Kudrashov, Veklik, Munier, Jankto, Sterling, Moreno, Hinteregger. Then we have a rookie silver prism for Finland. Timu Pukki? Pukki, is that it? Anyway, congratulations to Finland. Guedes, Coleman, Ozdoev, Burrell, and then we have a camo Ross Barkley for England. Ross Barkley for England camo. It's kind of hard. Oh, there's not a good angle to pick that up at. England is going to be Peyton, and that one is numbered 41 out of 60. Congrats on that. Finish off with a Manuel Neuer for Germany. All right, 2 boxes down, 2 boxes to go. Box number 3. Alright, box 3, here we go, right side. Gunak, Turkey. Szczesny, Kroll. Look at that. How about an X-Fractor of Giorgio Chiellini for Italy? That one's not numbered, but still pretty cool card. Italy, that's going to be Robert. Robert, congratulations. That's coming to you. Lovern, Tillemans, Blind, Zagenkov, Barilla. There's a Pojanapalo, Chilik, Grosicki, Krivtsov, Sancho. I might get one of these right. I don't know. Helander, Ilsanker, Lenglet, Zuba, Vokes. Sam Vokes, where's my focus at? Kai Havertz, Suchek, Martens, Delight. Then we have an Emerson Palmieri on the Prism Silver. And then a Simon Kjaer, maybe. Georgino, Kalhanglu, Bednarik. Another X-Fractor. This is red, white, and blue. Rafael Guerreiro for Portugal. Again, not numbered, but very cool card. Portugal's Robert. Congratulations, Robert. Nice insert. Red, white, and blue. Field level insert. Hazard, Maguire, Rodrigo, Soyuncu, Glick, and Brandt. Dorita, Hazard, Wijnaldum. There's a Daniel Wass field level refractor. Silva, Yaremchuk, Chisei, Tufan, and then whoa, little auto action. Historical significance. Gökhan Inler for Switzerland on the green auto. Switzerland is Shannon. That is numbered 4 out of 15. 4 out of 15. Congratulations on that one. Got some green ink on the Swiss. Congrats. Zuber, Kedziora, Keane, Arnautovic. Then our camo is a Frankowski for Poland. Field level camo for Poland. Poland is Dixon. Congratulations, Dixon. That's numbered 17 out of 25. Again, kind of hard to see there, but nice card. And finish off with a Gareth Bale. All right, that does it for box number 3. We hit some ink in there, which is very nice, and some red, white, and blue X-Fractors, which is, again, another nice card. Last box. Good luck to everybody. If you would like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch, you can get that on our website at pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Good luck to everybody on this final box of Select Euro from 2020. All right, Last box. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Sissoko, Fernandez, Carvajal. There's a Crawl. Brandt, De Jong, Varane, Insigne. Then a Tolisso, red, white, and blue, going out to France. France is going to be Robert. Robert, congratulations. That's coming to you. Silva. Carmen. Lewandowski, Sancho, Saul. There's a Zuber, Lazaro, Pogba, Schick, Ramos, Bale, Babel, Loris, Bernardeschi, and Carrasco. Lovren. What is this guy? Kankovici, Piatek, Barkley. There's a rookie silver for Austria. Hinteregger for Austria. Austria is going to be Charles. Charles, congratulations. Poyampalo, Ruiz, Promes, Zelensky. Then we have a Roman Zobnin for Russia. Russia, Shannon. Congrats. And then Helander. Let's see. There's something there. I'll wait for that. Pavlenka, De Gea, De Roon, Marlos, Havertz, Jorginho, whatever. Kalhanglu, Bednarik, and then we have a Kevin De Bruyne for Belgium. That's just like a silver prism. Nice one for Belgium. Belgium is Jeff. KR, Maguire, Rodrigo, Soyuncu, and then our camo is for the Ukraine, Roman Yarmachuk. That's Ukraine camo. And it is numbered 29 out of 60. Congrats to Joshua. And they finish off with an Mbappe base. That does it for the break, guys. We will get those sorted and shipped out. Thanks so much for getting the break with us. Definitely appreciate it. We look forward to breaking the end with you soon. I hope you have a good rest of your night and a great week coming up. Stay safe. Peace.